Every great adventure needs a little mystery, so today we're drawing a sea serpent starting with the number 7, and the top of the head is an angled line up that ends where the back of the 7 is, and I've chosen to put horns on this one so it's like an S curve before creating that line that goes down into the water, and a little curve where we'll show the belly being a little bit different color. So, and putting a horn in the background. It's a creature of your own creating, so you don't have to put the horn on the nose, and you can draw the mouth however you want. I just kept it really simple, like a seagull, and some little chin hairs, but you can add or leave off whatever you'd like. I'm doing like a check mark for the eye with a U underneath it. And those two lines, I angled them out and then put the curves coming towards the center to make this look more like a sea serpent than a regular dragon, but you could absolutely change it how you want. And I've chosen to do just the head first, if that's all you want to do, to put it into some other design, but I will be adding the body and the tail. So we're imagining where he goes down into the water and then he comes up out of the water, and you can put as many of these bumps as you want to show how big he is. I just did one for space, and again showing a little bit distinction for the underside. And we'll put some wavy lines so he's going down into the water. And then lastly, I'm showing like it's going down into the water, and we're going to make this S curve, like the tail coming up out of the water, but coming to a point for the tail. And you can put whatever you want on the end of the tail. You'll see I customize here to make this one look more like a water dragon. I'm kind of mirroring what I have on the head. And then we're just placing him in the water by putting some wavy lines. This would be great like a map or a journal where you're just giving a little indication that he's in the water. You never know what might emerge from the depths when you start exploring. Thanks for drawing with me today.